My name is Sabina, and my last crazy experience during traveling was being deported. So we had, with group of friends, colleagues, we went to Azerbaijan. So first we had problem to get visa, but we finally were able to enter the country. And when we were leaving, I said like, whew, no problem, now we are just leaving. We are going home, everything will be perfect. Until they checked our passports. And then our adventure started. So they wanted us to pay around 300 euros fine because they accepted new law, which demanded from tourists who were more than 2 weeks in Azerbaijan to go to some local office to register, and we didn't know and we didn't do it. So when we refused to pay our fine, they decided to deport us and prohibit us to visit Azerbaijan for 1 year.